Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing instrumentation and control engineering, transforming how we monitor and optimize industrial processes. Imagine predictive maintenance powered by machine learning, where algorithms analyze sensor data to foresee equipment failures before they happen. This not only cuts costs, but also extends the lifespan of machinery. AI enhances process optimization, using real-time data to fine-tune operations for maximum efficiency and minimal energy consumption. Fault detection becomes smarter with anomaly detection, allowing systems to identify issues and classify faults automatically. Intelligent control systems adapt on the fly, utilizing neural networks and fuzzy logic to manage complex processes seamlessly. AI-driven data analytics and sensor fusion provide deep insights from vast data streams, improving decision-making. Energy management is optimized through predictive models that adjust operations to reduce waste. Autonomous systems operate without human intervention, while remote monitoring ensures safety in hazardous environments. With AI, human-machine interfaces become intuitive, enabling operators to interact through natural language and receive predictive alerts. Digital twins simulate real-time system behavior, enhancing accuracy and operational efficiency. AI is not just a tool, it's the future of instrumentation and control engineering, making systems smarter, more efficient, and adaptable.